Hey guys, I'm James, and you're watching behind the scenes of the Speed Freaks Builder series. For full episodes, head over to Antony's YouTube channel for the bold. Last week, we took a tour of the CX500 cockpit, and we got an awesome response to the Renthals and control components we used. And I'm sure the lucky rider who wins this tangerine dream will be just as stoked to squeeze the juice out of that throttle, spitting rooster tails at 70 miles an hour with their frickin' hair on fire. Or casually idling off into the sunset, however your right wrist is feeling that day. So if winning a bike, helping cure cancer, and riding off theatrically sounds like a good time, then go visit DimeCityCycles.com today and pony up a 5-spot to enter to win this tracker. In this week's episode, Antony will be fabricating a tray to house all the electrical components that'll bring this bike to life. And seeing as how the CX frame has been modified, we couldn't just go around strapping things down willy-nilly like hasty hurricane prep. And, as far as I know, we don't have a custom CX500 electronics tray store here in the Bay Area. So, the built not bought mantra echoes through the Dime City garage once again. Weird. Now this tray might not seem totally imperative to the build, but its job is to safely house the anti-gravity battery and M-unit control box and provide passage for all the wires out of sight. A pretty serious task indeed. Let's see Ant fab this little guy up. Solid job on the tray, Ant. It nicely hides all the components and keeps the nice clean look of this build. Now this anti-gravity battery and M-unit have a little armor to handle the lifestyle. And it just goes to show that money can't buy everything. A kid with an idea and a pair of snips can oftentimes do more than a fat cat with a black card. Sometimes you just have to create, and that's what makes bikes like this one not only custom, but unique to each builder. A little grease, blood, and sweat creates an exclusive DNA, and that rarity creates an incredible and diverse scene that drew you here to begin with. Full circle. And on that philosophically circular bombshell, it's time to wrap this episode. Be sure to tune in for next week's show to see what we take the big hammer to next. Thanks for watching. You know the drill. Click here to see another sweet DCC video, and click down here to comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share. Be sure to visit DimeCityCycles.com. Thanks for watching.